of the road is closed, Iodeli.
Oh, I see. So you got to make a detour here. So that closes the whole road to Salisbury.
Yeah.
Salisbury, sorry. Huh?
Yeah.
Damn, it must be a lot of traffic created by that.
I think people are not using that road and then going a different way. Because there's not very much traffic when you come out here. There's a little bit. There's some in the back of us. We need to go faster, Iodeli.
You mean the cars?
Behind you.
I see them. They're not close to me yet.
Rapeseed fields on the hill.
I know I've been on this road before, but
Horses in the
I
field.
can't. I can't remember.
You guys see the birds flying up there?
Yeah.
You're just fighting the wind. Rapeseed field to the left.
I'm impressed with your vision. Your peripheral vision all around you. And
There's
what
your
is in the
giveaway
skies.
sign, Iodeli.
Got it.
All right, it's clear.
Okay, thank you.
And I'm head of the hills. You'll never find out till I'm head of the hills.
Say what?
The manure. You can smell it.
Yeah. It's all farm country. Alright, got my bearings a little. So we're going back to Stockbridge. I'm gonna let this guy pass me here.
Okay.
Oh, there are cars coming. Alright.
Now we'll pull over here. Whoa. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Tell me twice that you're the one for me, the way you make me feel. You really turn me on. You knock me off of my feet. Oh, look at this view I have up in the front. It's so pretty.
Nice.
Hey, what he's doing, just standing there. Did he lose somebody?
Not sure. Might have lost it. Missed his mama.
You're the one for me, the way you make me feel.
I wonder what gets everybody out in this town. All the cars around, or is it the residents
Maybe.
from the houses here?
Well, yeah, I don't know. No, here's that other car that we saw unloading. Oh, they got 3 of them, 4 of them out here. Look at that. There's the other bikes.
Are you crazy about cars?
Not really.
Yeah,
I like to
classic
see
cars.
them though. Those old ones are really nice. I mean, not like I would like to own one. Here's another one coming. You want to come in front, Iodeli?
All
Well,
right.
after this roundabout.
No problem.
Looks good. All clear. I'll check your camera is still there.
All good.
Take your signal off. Come on around. Oh, your camera! Ayo!
What?
Just kidding. It's still there.
Why would you pull it? Why would you pull something like that?
You know you're right.
Seriously?
I'm a jokester. I'm a jokester.
That's not a joke, baby. No,
What is
when I
that,
have to,
300 or 400 somewhere on the road crashed out. There's an older car, old Mini.
and at the same time, I need to keep my balance and watch the road ahead.
From the start. All right, you see that sign? There's a narrow bridge, the hill bridge coming up.
Yeah.
So I think it's just this one here, but this is not a bridge. Yeah, there's signs all mixed up. Maybe if you were turning down that road.
All right.
We should try some of those roads sometimes. Those little narrow country roads. Every little thing she does is magic. Everything she does just turns me on. Look, my guy opened it up. How'd he get so far ahead here? $30 miles an hour here,
I'm doing it.
Must I always be alone? Every little thing she does is magic. Holy mackerel. Get my gear up to where it should be.
The mirror is shifted.
Every little thing she does. Every little thing she does. How's your gas look? Is it still on the top line, or have you lost a bar?
My gas looks like 3/4.
3/4?
Yeah.
Okay, same. Here's your bridge. Here's your turn, Io. Slow down.
Thank you. I should have gone straight ahead.
Why? There's nothing out there. It's a dead end, I think.
No, that's the road we took when we
yeah,
came
you're
back
right.
from
Yeah, I
Kingsclear.
remember. Oh. know, this whole ride I've only had my sun visor down. I didn't put the top, the clear thing down.
That's good. All right, let's do this challenge here.
Don't blame it on the sunshine. Don't blame it on the moonlight. Blame it on the boogie. Running me like that.
Yeah.
You're doing a lot better on the hills, Deli. Black Falcon.
You mean with
You're doing
my...
a lot better on the hills, baby.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. I've been practicing. I was even more motivated after all those jokes you cracked yesterday with your cousin. I mean, with your niece. Damn, is that you just behind me now?
Yeah. Slow poke.
All right. Go ahead.
What are you doing?
I want you to pass.
Okay. See how easy that was?
Oh God,
Just
give me
stayed
a
in my
break.
lane.
Give me a break.
Came around.
I did all the heavy lifting for you over there. Pull to the side, make sure that all the road ahead of me was
I did that
clear.
for you too. And then you didn't pass. All right, let's slow down here. So it's just after 9, a couple of minutes after 9.
All right, you want to go to, you want to have breakfast at home or McDonald's or?
We'll have breakfast at home.
Or town?
No, we'll have breakfast at home. Got a car coming. So we're gonna turn up this road aisle.
Okay.
Stay to the left.
All right.
We're gonna take the second exit coming up.
All right.
Second exit coming up. Ooh.
Copy.
Clear. We're gonna go straight over here.
Copy. Seconds.
I don't know if my camera is still on. All right, Ayodeli, we're gonna follow the 343 Ring Road. right, here's our exit. Check over your shoulder, make sure it's clear. Gonna come in front now?
Okay. Here I come. Yes, sirree.
Move to the left. I'm going to come up and join you
Okay.
as soon as it's clear here.
I didn't know they started doing some work here.
Ooh.
Hey,
Okay.
when did you cross over? I didn't notice you.
Yeah.
I was still looking at my mirror.
All right.
All right, Ruby Red Robin. I think it's time for a big breakfast. I know you're not so keen always on big breakfasts.
I'm gonna have some coffee. I feel like coffee.
Okay. So we're going to make a big detour back home.
Where'd you go?
Stay with
Okay.
me. Stay with me. Road straight ahead. straight ahead. Ah.
Whoop.
Where are you?
I stalled. I don't know how that happened. A car coming, Io.
Yeah.
First exit here, or are we going somewhere else?
We're turning left here.
You got to be starting something. You got to be starting something. You got to be starting something.
I can't believe we got all that in and the shops are still closed.